When you're managing ads across multiple platforms, you know how important it is to make sure your image sizes are spot on for each platform's specifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust image sizes for different ad platforms using AdCreative AI, and I'll break it down in a way that's quick and easy to understand. One of the best things about AdCreative AI is how user-friendly it is, especially for newcomers to digital marketing. If you're unfamiliar with the software, you can quickly adapt to it and start optimizing your ad creatives in just a few clicks. What's even better is that you can use this tool for free through the first link below with some exclusive bonuses. I'll share more about that later, so stay tuned. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice when you use AdCreative AI is its ability to automatically generate ad creatives tailored to different platforms, saving you time and effort. But there's more. Once you've selected your template and begun creating your ad, you'll need to adjust your images to meet each platform's specific dimensions. For example, when you're preparing an ad for Facebook, the ideal image size is usually a 1.1 square or a 4.5 vertical ratio for mobile newsfeed ads. On the other hand, Instagram posts typically follow the same guidelines, but stories require a full 9.16 vertical image. AdCreative AI simplifies this process by providing presets that align with these platform-specific sizes. You don't need to manually resize images in another software. Just choose your platform, and AdCreative AI will automatically scale your creative accordingly. But let's say you want to customize your image size even further for something like Google Display Ads. This platform has a range of standard sizes like 300x250 for medium rectangles, 728x90 for leaderboard banners, and 160x600 for skyscraper ads. AdCreative AI lets you easily tweak your images to match these dimensions without any hassle. And the best part? You can preview how each ad will look across different platforms before you hit publish, ensuring it's always optimized and ready to go. By the way, if you're wondering how to make sure your images maintain high quality without becoming pixelated after resizing, AdCreative AI has an automatic compression feature that helps. It keeps your images sharp while optimizing them for faster loading times across devices. For those running campaigns across a wider range of networks, the platform also allows you to export creatives in multiple sizes, making sure your ads are ready for any scenario, whether it's a banner, social post, or email ad. If you've been struggling with resizing your images for different platforms manually or using multiple tools, AdCreative AI has the potential to save you a lot of time. By centralizing all your image resizing in one place, you can focus on the bigger picture, building high-performing ads, scaling your business, and making the most of your marketing budget. If you're just starting out and trying to wrap your head around digital marketing, AdCreative AI really is an invaluable tool. And like I mentioned earlier, you can get access to this software completely for free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. So, whether you're adjusting image sizes for Facebook, Instagram, Google Display, or other platforms, AdCreative AI has you covered. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial.